When a component creates another component or initializes another component in its render function, this is what React calls the owner-ownee relationship, as to differentiate it from the parent-child relationship we might be talking about when we're referring to the DOM. And to illustrate how this works, I've got our little binding application that we've kind of been building up to on the last few videos. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new component. I'm going to call it widget because I'm not creative. React.create class. And all this is going to have is the render function. I'm going to copy it right out of the app component. And then up here in our app, what I'm going to do is I'm going to instantiate that widget, and I'm going to give it some properties. First one's going to be text, and the second one's going to be, we'll call it update. And for the update, I'm actually going to pass it the method from app, and then I'm going to pass it into this text one, this.state.text. I'm going to get rid of this. And then down here in our widget, now this doesn't have a state. All it has is the properties that are passed to it from app, from this app component. So onChange becomes this.props. What do we call it? Update. And this text right here becomes this.props.text. And those are the properties that we identified when we generated the widget. So let's save this and load it back up. Cool. We've got the exact same functionality, except now we've got it in this little widget. So I'm just going to throw a whole bunch of these on the page just so you can see how that works. And there we go.